Not Skukuno United 1 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje kuzokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game adidlala kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Ama-team o2 adefuna ke ukuyithola i-win kule game le, because a win kule game le izokwazi ke inikeze i-team ithuba lokuthi ke ifake umlenze owodwa kwi-final ye-MTN. So bekuyi-first leg le bafethu. The following match will be against isona isikhukhune, against Orlando Pirates le e-Orlando Amstel Arena ngempela sona next week. Nakhona futhi ke in between the week kuzodlala enye i-match between isikhukhune United nayo Orlando Pirates. So mina ke ngizokhuluma indlela nje Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona le game le, izinto ke Orlando Pirates ekwazi ukuthi ke inqobe izenze iwine le game le, yabo. Lazi ke bafethu iqiniso nje lilihle, akubi lula for Orlando Pirates ke iwine uma izodlala kule stadium. Siyayazi ke bafethu i-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. If you can look ama matches Orlando Pirates amaningi nje bebezodlala la bajwayele ukuzodrawa or bajwayele ukuwina ngescore esincane. I think the last game la sawina khona kahle comfortably ilapho khona sashaya khona imagisi kuze kora umfuking amagoli amahle. Ke other than that I don't remember sifika e-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium sizodlala nje kahle into esile, yabo. Remember the last time we played here, I think we were playing against iPolokwane City lapho khona sabona uTito ekora igoli sekuvalwa amehlo, yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje indlela ke ezidlale ngakhona kule game le. Wena ungangitshela ema comments how do you feel regarding le game. So nje ngizoqala ngi-approach indlela ke uAbdeslam Wadu ayi-approach ngakhona le game. You see the goalkeeper okuba naku Sipho Chain, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Wudu Siyema, kept another clean sheet. Dion Horton Sibelebele as wing backs, Mokobodi, Mthiane and Masilela as the engine of the game. Masikuthi ke ubani uLungu and Osuna Police, they were the wingers. Mbuthuma as the main number 9. So this is how we were lined up in this match. So ngokubona kwami, you can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho. I-first half ibi rough kakhulu. I-first half yale game le ibi rough kakhulu. I feel like isikhukhune United bekumele bangabe bathola ama-yellow cards amaningi kule game. Bekumele abe nje kukhona ama-yellow cards aphumela. I think phuma ama-yellow cards amabili noma amathathu if I'm not mistaken, yabo. Nje ngokubona kwami uRef laphana uyiyekele kakhulu le game le, and ke ukube nje uqhubekile wayiyekela futhi baningi abadlali sibabonele bekhishwa ngama scratchers. Isisu sethu sanamhlanje bekumthiyane kuba Mokobodi mase kubumasilela. I feel like abajita namhlanje baluza amabhola amaningi, but ke they were very solid. They were very solid in terms of ball recovery. They had a high ball recovery rate because bebekwazi ke bayibambe igame. Uma wasubheke nje siye nje kwi-second siye kwi half time sine ball possession eningi kakhulu, because besikwazi ke silibambe ibhola, besikwazi ke silicontrol, but ke besililuza kakhulu ibhola. I feel like unumber 10 wethu namhlanje uMasilelo ubengeke egimini kakhulu, ingakho coach ke emkhiphile bona uske umjulu ulahla kakhulu ibhola phambili awuthi simdonse kancane. And ke enye into engiyibonile first half ilento le striking problem. I feel like ke sine striking problem lapho kulo no Pirates. Amathima amaningi meswa approach njengamanje asezobona ukuthi ke okay, our main number 9 is not that deadly, yabo. He's not a threat kakhulu. So into bazoyenza njani na, they will isolate that number 9, bamshiye yodwa number 9 mase ke beyovala ama-wingers ukuthi ke ama-wingers anga-provide any service for that number 9. The number 9 will get frustrated mase ke eyakhishwa. You saw what we saw today. Iadiyenza isikhukhune adi yocindezela uLungu ngale uthi ke angaphefumula uLungu engenzi lutho, icindezela Osuna Police ngala uthi ke angaphefumula engenzi lutho. Bebevala uLungu bezovala Osuna Police, the number 9 won't get any service. Bayabona vele ukuthi ke akekho that productive. Ubanina Mbuthuma ka drop it deep azosiza team idlale kahle. So they are going to cut off the main supply yakhe, yabo. Ba cut off lapho nalapho noMasilela lapho eswini ucoach ubonile ukuthi kulahla amabhola kakhulu, so Mbuthuma alithola kakhulu ibhola phambili. So they had to cut off the main source of ibhola. Ingakho umbonile uLungu esuka ngala ezoba creative with Dion Horton ngala eshaya isithende sihle, wase ku Horton ekora igoli elihle kakhulu ekora against our former goalkeeper. Should be told uButhelezi ube ne game enhle first half, yabo. He made a lot of save first half. Even phela yona Orlando Pirates we had some couple of free kicks awumjide wavimba, yabo, bambongqi. So mina ukubona kwami first half it was very difficult for us, but ke sikwazi ukuthi ke silithola igoli ngokwenza some twitches ngokuthi asisusa uLungu ngale azoba creative with uHoto ngala sathola igoli, because bebemvalile uLungu ngale, yabo. Nje bemvalile nje no Osuna Police naye bevaliwe ngala. So we overloaded this side, safaka more players ukuthi ke bazodlala ngala this side, sakwazi ukuthi ke sithole igoli. masukuthi ke second half, I feel like second half yethu ngokubona kwami it was a very dull second half, because by introducing uDansini in that position we lacked the creativity. We are not that creative enough ukuthi ke sikwazi ke ibhola sidlale kahle. That is why you saw second half sibona le team le ibamba ibhola kakhulu, because bese singekho that creative, bese singekho balanced. I always speak about the balance thing ukuthi ke isisumele sibe balanced, bese singekho balanced akekho umdlalo bezodlala unumber 10 laphana. So ngokubona kwami ke mina le game lesikwazile ukuthi ke si manage ngama means ethu ukuthi ke sesinalo igoli, asike sifaka umdlali number 8 ozokwazi ke ayibambe igame, yabo ayibambe igame, singa concede, sizo defender just straight because sesinawo 1-0 sidlala away. So let's defend what we have. That is why you saw Sekhukhune United sesiba more threat, because more threats kuyona Orlando Pirates, yabo. But ke abenzanga ulithini aba defenders akwazi ukuthi ke ahlale lapha emuva ayibambe iqini. Umthiyane Swini bafethu, I have to talk about Umthiyane. For me Umthiyane, he was the man of the match. He was the guy in that middle who was playing very good. I spoke about Umthiyane ngasho ukuthi ke he is the number 6 that we should go for right now. There is no number 6 okhona currently, and ke ucoach nangempela I feel like ungizwile wamqalisa Umthiyane namhlanje. He had a very good game. You saw indlela ade controller khona ibhola, and going forward I feel like sekulula njengamanje, kuzobalula ku coach njengamanje. But I don't know the internal issues between Orlando Pirates and Tito Maswanganyi, because he was not included in the match day squad today. He was supposed to be included in the match day squad. There are some rumors regarding him being linked with Inina Pyramids FC. I will talk about that in another video, but again, in a game like this you really needed a Tito Maswanganyi who was going to be creative. Yeah, but we lacked the creativity in that number 10 position. That is a story that we should try to highlight. We need to go out there and find a proper number 10 that is going to replace Tito Maswanganyi if he eventually leaves Orlando Pirates, because if we are going to go forward without a number 10, we are going to really struggle in big games. The introduction of Haaland is a good player. Haaland is a good player. I saw his touches, I saw indlela kahlela khona, even his runs, you can see that he's a striker. But again, I'm looking forward to see him more eqala ethola more minutes. I didn't see much of him. Ubene short one if I'm not mistaken. Ngifuna ukubona more of Haaland. But again, overall it was a good win for us as a team. Away 3 points. No, not 3 points per se, but again it was a good win just because again ade dlala away sikwazile ukuthi ke si win game. So lento lezo sinikeza confidence ukuthi ke mase siyodlala vele home sizokwazi ukuthi ke sibabambe, yabo singatatazeli kakhulu, noma score 1 or 2 goals sikwazi ke siye kwi-final simnandi sebdep. Netheklesha uKhados eyisha Haaland engayithandanga, urefike uthe allow it omnikeza yellow card uKhados. Those are the things esidila nazo nje ubingekho iVAR.